We got the award? That's awesome! So yeah, you heard right. We won the ITSM App Award handed out by Atlassian during Team 22, together with some other awards to awesome companies in the Atlassian ecosystem. In particular, our award was given to us because of our app issue translation for Jira Service Management. And in their words, in Atlassian's words, they are recognizing that this app enhances Atlassian tools to help customers succeed with ITSM solutions and is being positioned and marketed to customers as part of an ITSM solution. So what does that mean exactly, you may be wondering? What did we do to win this award, and what could you do next year to win it? Let's have a look. So our app translates real-time conversations between agents and customers that speak different languages. And at some point we wondered, perhaps customers don't want this. So we went ahead and we surveyed over 300 professionals, and we found out that actually most people are very happy to do this. They are very happy to engage with translations. They prefer to read translations than to make the effort of writing and reading a different language than their own. Particularly in some industries like e-commerce, this is particularly critical for customer retention. But in general, across the board, we've seen that people is prepared for it. And the younger, the more prepared that they are. So at the beginning, we were talking about automated translations, and that was accurate, but it was also a bit boring. People were not looking for it. So we started experimenting with different types of messages, and we tried out different things, like talking about translation bots, or talking even about chatbots in a certain way, talking about omnilingual communications, we'll see in the next point, or even talking about localized support, about localized ITSM, multilingual ITSM. These are all variations of the same concept that just allows our customers to better understand what they're gonna get from the app. In the Atlassian ecosystem, it's all about the community. It's all about partners helping each other and growing together. And of course, that meant for us also that the app needed to rely on other partners to grow. We needed to meet our customers where they already were. We needed to make translations an additional component of their existing ITSM stacks. And that's why we looked at existing marketplace apps and Atlassian products where we could extend this translation functionality besides just the pure JSM agent customer conversations in the traditional customer portal. So we partnered with AppFire to make a webinar and show how our translation app works perfectly together with their chat app and their canned responses app, so that you can have automated translations on both those endpoints. And the same thing we're going to keep doing. We built a sister app that does translations of Jira issues for internal usage of Jira software. We are looking at ways to explore other Atlassian products, including Help, Confluence, and different marketplace apps where customers expect to have native real-time translations that they currently don't enjoy. Thanks for listening, guys. I wouldn't do these videos if nobody cared for them. So if this is too long, just let me know. But this time there was a lot to unpack.